Hello, I'm Kathi, the founder of Organized and Energized, and I'm thrilled that you've decided to download your complimentary copy of my free gift from me to you. Now, I don't know how much you know of me, so I thought I'd take a minute to connect. For most of my life, I've been a serial entrepreneur. For me, it started way back in the fourth grade when I set up the Bluebird Diner Cafe in my neighbor's basement. There, I sold cheese and crackers and actually crackers and peanut butter to my friends. Since then, it's been quite a journey. I've been a licensed yacht captain, and I've also been a travel writer where I lived out of a suitcase and traveled 42 weeks a year. Now I'm here in my favorite role as a board certified professional organizer and personal stylist. I'm dedicated to helping amazing women just like you. My mission is to empower you to identify and eliminate any chaos or anything in your life and business that's holding you back from your true success. Now, I know many successful women entrepreneurs grapple with similar challenges like work life balance, the imposter syndrome, struggling to delegate effectively. All of these things are common to us as women entrepreneurs. Trust me, I have been there too. When I first started my agency, I did not delegate anything. The stuff that I hated, I didn't delegate. The stuff I couldn't do, I didn't delegate. I basically tried to do it all on my own, shot myself in the foot a few times. So I get it. But enough about me. Let's focus on you. I'm truly honored that you chose to download your complimentary gift. I would love to know what you're up against. Put in the comments below how you feel, what's going on, what's new in your life, and I will personally respond back. I look forward to connecting with you.